Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add a yellow basket on TikTok Shop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add a yellow basket on TikTok Shop, all you gotta do is simply join TikTok Shop or affiliated program. Adding the yellow basket, also known as yellow shopping cart, to your TikTok videos is a powerful way to boost your product visibility and drive sales directly from your content. So this feature allows viewers to tap on the basket icon and purchase products seamlessly. So if you have joined the TikTok Shop or affiliated program, simply link your TikTok account to your TikTok Shop and add products to your showcase. After this, create a video and link the product. Open the TikTok app, tap on the plus icon, create a video, simply edit it and tap the add link option and select product. Choose the products you want to feature and tap on add, and then customize the product name if desired and hit the post option. Now, after your approval is done, you will be able to simply add the yellow basket on your TikTok Shop. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.